We need to add another letter somewhere in the word, like words with E sound, as in need or green. For example, seed, with, feed, did, tin, sin, bin, kin. Words with E sound, as in steer or ship: deer, peer, seer, beer, dip, whip, bip, kip. Words with E sound, as in sweet or lick: fit, bit, mit, tit, wick, mick, pick, sick. Words with E sound, as in leech or spear: ditch, rich, bitch, itch, year, here, dear, ear. Words with E sound, as in squeak or cream: big, pick, lick, wick, tim, bim, rim, dream. Words end in letter Y sound as E, as in happy: lady, family, duty, body, baby, army, copy, berry. Good job, children!